Um, Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
You are in. Acha. 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yeah.
Some video is going on.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I have switched off that. Now, your interview is going to be on 2nd May, is it not?
Yes, sir.
In Bengaluru.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sweta, please tell us about yourself briefly.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. My name is Shweta. I am from Kasaragod district, Kerala. I have completed my BSMS course from ISF Thiruvananthapuram in physics. My family includes me and my mother. She is a homemaker. And my hobbies would be solving puzzles and reading stories. And I love trying new things. I'm a happy, energetic, self-motivated person. So that would be all about me, sir.
Which year did you complete your degree?
In 2018, sir.
Good. You are married now?
No, sir.
Then have you worked in any other place apart from?
After completing my MSc, I've joined as a project assistant in IIT because I wanted financial support from there. But during the COVID time, I had some family emergency due to which I had to resign and come back. So after that, I was supporting my family. Now the problems are taken care of so that in the future it won't happen again. After that, I've started preparing for bank exams.
No, but I think this stage you may have to change your answer, because you said you were working in IIT, you resigned from there during COVID times. Stop. After
Yes,
that,
sir.
you tell, since 2021, I have started preparing for bank examinations.
Okay, sir.
Have you appeared for IBPS and state bank exams?
Yes, sir. Up to mains, I could.
You could go up to
I
mains.
couldn't clear mains. Yes.
You could not clear the mains. That's right.
Yes.
That's always very good. What about your father? What is the work he's doing?
He is no more, sir.
I'm
he
sorry.
passed away when I was in 8th standard.
What was the work he was doing?
He was teacher.
Oh. What about your mother?
She's a homemaker, sir.
Okay. She's a homemaker, right? How many siblings Sweta has?
I'm a single child, sir.
Very bad. Single child. Oh. So is it, it's really bad, to be a single child. How many cousins you have?
Oh. I do have so many cousins, but the thing is, they are not with me, living with me, or nearby me.
They are not
so
nearby.
I have been used to be,
single. Used to be
alone
single.
and do my things.
Yeah, that's right. I understand. Now you are applying for Karnataka Bank. This, this job posting, you can be posted anywhere in India, more especially South India. Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Course, sir. Of course, sir. Then I have been away from home from my 12th, after my 12th. So it is comfortable for me to
right now you are with your mother,
Yeah, but I think with the financial support I'll be getting, financial stability I'll be getting, I can support her also.
So you will she be able to go along with you whenever needed, or you will manage by staying in a hostel?
I think it works. It depends upon where I get the posting. If it is nearby, then I'll ask her to stay here, and I can.
No, but don't. Instead of giving a hesitated answer, you should tell, yes, sir, there will not be any problem. My mother also will come along with me. Then they will ask you, is it not your own house here? Is it a own house or rented house?
It's own house, sir.
It's a own house. Then we will make arrangements for
we will manage with those.
We
We
will
can
manage for
make
taking care
arrangements
of
for
the
that.
yeah. And then my mother will come along with me, and
Yeah.
I'll be able to join
Work
anywhere.
wherever.
But mostly they will post in Kerala only. They won't post you away from Kerala, or
Okay, sir.
maximum in Karnataka.
Yeah, that.
So that is what it is.
Yeah.
Good, very good. Do you think the job as a officer will suit you? What qualities Sweta has which go towards matching them?
Sir, I'm a quick learner and I'm an active listener. So if the customers are coming, I can deal with them nicely with a smile. And I'll even if I'm under pressure, I can put a smile on them and speak well. I have seen my colleagues suggesting that they feel happy to work with me. So I can persuade or discuss things with my coworkers also. It will be easy for me.
Hmm.
And as I said, I'm a quick learner. I could learn if the job demand for more learning, I'll be ready for that. I'm a hardworking person. I have strong work ethics. So all these things, and also I'm quite rational, which means that I can see a problem from different perspective, which helps me to solve the problem effectively within
Hmm.
short time. So I think these things will be beneficial for a PO post.
Very good. Excellent. You told nicely. Which bank you have an account?
I have account on SBI, sir.
SBI. That's
Uh,
right. Which branch? Have you visited that branch? How many times have you
uh,
visited?
the first, of course, will be when I was joining, opening the account. Then I wanted a brand change. For that, also I visited.
Mhm.
Then again to activate my ATM. That was
Mhm.
that I could do online only. Still,
Mhm.
I
Good.
went there.
Are you aware of using mobile app of State Bank of India?
I used to use that. After that, I'm using internet banking
Acha,
with
good. Very good.
you know.
So, which one do you think is more convenient for usage?
For me, mobile banking, of course, would be the favorable one. I
Mm.
have seen people struggling with mobile because I'm from a rural area.
Mm.
So I've seen people approaching me asking how they'll do it and
Mhm.
how this works. So
Mhm.
I think there is more awareness needed to be given about this digital banking.
Mhm. Good.
For me, I'm using internet banking because I'm not frequently using my account.
Mhm.
So
Of course.
if I'm frequent user,
The-
then I'll be using the mobile
yeah, there may
banking.
not be much need. What is the now source of income for your family?
Pension is there.
Mother's pension.
Yeah. And also I sometimes give tuition classes. The
Very,
basics.
very good. Excellent. Excellent. Very happy. Did you go through the website of our Karnataka bank?
Yes, sir. I have.
No. Did you go through that savings bank accounts? What is the account that is opened that is normally given for women?
KBL
Savings.
Vanita.
What do you know some points regarding that KBL Vanita?
The KBL Vanita account is for inculcating the saving habit among women, and this account provides, I think, monthly
In
monthly
no no
minimum is 1,000 or two.
not monthly. Monthly means it will be only in the case of recurring deposit. Here, it is known as
Oh,
minimum balance. It is known as minimum balance.
okay, minimum.
That
Okay, I
depends
for
on the
1,000
that
and rupees.
depends on whether the branch is in metropolitan or urban area or semi-urban
Urban,
area
rural.
or rural area. So your
So
branch
have
is
you
in
opened that? Excuse me, sir. I have
yeah.
opened that once, and they was giving one remark like 4.5% can be done. That means when your deposit above 2 crores, it will be 4.5, right?
No, but don't worry about 2 crores and
Oh.
all. But you mentioned about the starting limit 2.75 basic limit. That is up to what amount you get to know that. That will do.
Okay, sir.
You know,
There are value added.
features and benefits. Features and benefits. Because
Value added things are there with the KBL Vanida insurance.
Oh, that and all you can
Coverage.
say. That and all you can say. Those points, if you can remember, you can tell them. But otherwise, you tell the minimum balance in your area. And of course, based on that.
Okay, sir.
So, and there is one account known as SB Small Savings Account. SB Small Savings Account. You know, for who will be opening this? Perhaps you have not studied. Perhaps you have not
studied. I think
it
must be some small balance minimum.
No, up to 50,000 balance. That is
50,000.
Normally opened by people who are not having any identification. That is any document for identification. For example, Aadhaar card, PAN card, nothing is there. Then they will open it. Later on, they will give an undertaking. Within 1 year, they will produce the document. And within 1 year, they should produce the document stating that they have applied for the facility for that Aadhaar card and all for identification. And in that account, the minimum balance, maximum balance they can keep is only 50,000 rupees. It is there. I will show you. It is there here. Perhaps you have not seen that.
I see, but I don't. This is, and also it should not exceed 1 lakh.
No, 50, not 50,000.
In the financial year.
No, 50,000. That
total
is,
credit should
there are two types of accounts. One is Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, basic savings bank account.
Similar.
Basic savings bank account. This one I am telling you is SB small account. Are you seeing on the screen?
Yes, sir, I am seeing.
The withdrawals are only through withdrawal slip. Passbook free monthly e-statement. Nomination facility as per rules. The balance should not exceed 50,000 at any point of time. And what you said 1 lakh, correct? The total credit should not exceed 1 lakh in a financial year. What is a financial year?
It is from April 1st to March.
No, you should
banking
first April of 1 year to the next year 31st March.
Of March.
Or if with the examples you say financial year means April to March, like 1st April 2023 to 31st March 2024. You must explain like that.
Okay.
And the aggregate of all withdrawals and transfers in a month should not exceed 10,000. This is in respect of SB small. But the one you were talking is the one you were mentioning is a basic savings bank account. Where is it? Is it here? KBL, SB General. It is not here.
BSBD.
Where is it?
The one you have tested, sir. SB Sugma. SB Sugama.
Oh, sorry. I am taking it as I am seeing only basic, whereas that basic is not there. This is zero balance account. So you please go through this also to know what are the terms and conditions, etc. Very good. You can do that. Very nice. Very happy. Now, can you please tell me, Sweta, what is the difference between current account and savings account?
current account are usually current accounts are open for the business transactions. There is no withdrawal limit or deposit limit. While the saving accounts are open for individual, there is withdrawal limit, no deposit limit, and there is no interest for a current account. While savings account, the interest will be at 3 to 4%.
Good.
So
Here
and
it is
both are
2.7, 2.75,
demand.
2.75 savings,
Yes, sir.
2.75 to 4. Or you can say in savings account, our bank pays, don't say Karnataka bank, our bank pays 2.75% interest. Like that you say.
Yeah. Yes,
Good.
sir.
Good. You told nicely. But then in the case of current account, you should say it is opened by business firms. Business
Yes.
firms. It can be a proprietor firm or a partnership firm or a limited company firm. Okay. If it is a limited company, if it is a private limited company, minimum number of shareholders is 2. Maximum it is 200.
Okay.
Normally, private limited companies are shares of people who are relatives and also their own close friends. These things I think you may be seeing in that Guidely bank account, Guidely banking or Aparchit banking. You may get these details in that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then public limited company means minimum 7 shareholders, maximum unlimited.
Minimum 7.
And say the private limited company shares are not quoted in the stock exchange. They are not quoted in the stock exchange. They are transferred among the people themselves. For example, father gives to son, son gives to his wife, something like that. That is the private limited company. But whenever I ask this question, candidates get confused with the public sector and the private sector. Now, can you tell me what is public sector?
Public sector, sir, where the government holds the majority shares, while in private sector, private party will be holding the majority share.
Super. Normally, we say 51% and above.
Yeah.
51%. Good. Very nice. Very happy. Please tell me, Sweta, what are the 2 major classification of deposits? Considering the withdrawal, what are the 2 famous classification of deposits? Demand
deposit upon time
deposits.
Term deposit.
Time deposits.
Time deposit.
Very good. Can you tell me 2 types of time deposits?
It's fixed deposit and recurring deposit.
Very good.
Fixed.
Yeah, fixed deposit and recurring.
Deposit,
I'm sure your mother must be having fixed deposits in banks. Yes.
Yes.
Because for interest. What is the minimum period?
7 days.
Maximum period?
10 years.
Very good. And rate of interest will depend on the period. And since you are from Kerala, are you aware of the recent scam in, say, Kerala, a cooperative bank? Recently, there was a big scam.
Karivannur Cooperative Bank.
That is one. That is 130 crores.
Yeah, one more BSNL.
One more. What is that? BSNL.
BSNL employee from the pensioners.
BSNL Staff Cooperative Society.
Yeah.
I have posted a video on that. I have given a link for that material also. Please go through that because they can ask you this question.
Yes, sir.
Because you are
because of that only I came to know about that.
Yeah.
I remember.
Yeah, you are from Kerala, they can ask you. You are a girl from Kerala. Father was a teacher.
Yes, sir.
Any of your relatives are working abroad?
I would say there are relatives in abroad, but they are actually as yoga teachers actually.
Pardon? They are also
Not
teachers.
yoga teachers, yoga trainers, not
Oh,
as in the firm or something.
acha,
They
acha,
work
acha.
for themselves.
Very good. Whatever it is, you have relatives, say cousins or
Yes, sir.
uncles or aunties abroad.
Yes.
So, can you tell me about non-resident accounts? Few non-resident accounts. What are the three types
One
of non-resident accounts?
NRE account, NRO account, RF, RFCA account, resident foreign currency account.
No, no, no. But there is another one, FCNRD, foreign currency non-resident deposit account.
One sec.
See, perhaps you have not seen about that. So today's class, we will discuss about that and I will tell
Okay.
8 o'clock. You will come for the class?
Yes, sir. Of course, I'll be there.
Yeah, I will tell in that one. Good. Excellent. Can you tell me what are the priority sector advances?
Priority sectors are areas where banking and the government wish to focus more for the development of the country. There are 8 priority sectors, which will be agriculture, MSME, social enterprises, and education, export, renewable energy, housing,
Not
and
bad.
others.
Not bad. Not bad. But still, you can go through that once again. You said social enterprises instead of social infrastructure.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that is because of fear. That's
Yes, sir.
because of fear. You should not have any fear, first of all. And this is the first time you are attending interview, and they will give you job if you go as a confident person, not
Yes, sir.
not as a person with less confidence. So that is what is more important. So you must be confident.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now let me come to some
Mm.
questions. Please tell me who is the governor of a Reserve Bank of India?
Ms. Shakti Kandadas.
How many deputy governors are there in Reserve Bank of India?
4.
Correct. Now,
MK.
yeah, can you tell me the functions of, if you know the names, tell me. MK Jain.
MK Jain, M. Rajeshwar Rao, T. Ravi Shankar, Michael D. Patra.
Very good. Now, can you tell me what are the functions of a Reserve Bank of India?
Reserve Bank of India is the central bank of India. It formulates and publishes the monetary policy. It is the issuer. It issues the currency. It acts as a banker's bank and government's bank. It is also known as the last resort lender.
One more important thing,
Yeah,
controller of
yeah.
foreign exchange.
Control. Yes, sir.
That's all.
Controller.
Very, very good. You told all that nicely. Very happy. Why should I select Sweta as an officer? What makes you think that you very much deserve this?
First of all, I'll say the communication, because I'm confident in communicating, and I'm confident that I can persuade customers, which will be a great deal for the bank. And the other one would be, I like taking challenges, shouldering responsibilities, and the PO job demands all that thing, because he is the one who is carrying the daily activities of the bank. And I'm a quick learner, and if the job demands more learning or more training, I'm very much ready to do that. And I'm very flexible also.
Don't say if the job demands. You say, I will
Okay,
learn
sir.
it. I will learn it. Where is Prime Minister today?
Kerala, sir.
Is in which part of Kerala?
Now Kochi.
Good. Very good.
But
What is
he'll be
artificial intelligence?
AI is the Definition.
Artificial intelligence.
It's a area where the machineries will be imitating the human brain,
Hmm.
and
Correct.
that is emerging.
Yeah, exactly. Good. Thank you. Now, any questions you would like to ask?
Sir, I'm from physics background, so I should expect physics question from them, or
Not much. And the only this question they will ask, why are you not going as a teacher?
Hmm.
So
So,
you must give some valid reason. The say nowadays for becoming a teacher, one has to be preferably a doctorate. I cannot afford to go for doctorate because of my family circumstances. I need a
so
job. That is why I've started preparing for this.
so
So
they
like
will counter me like, if you are given a job and you are financially secure, then you will leave us and go.
no,
That can be asked.
no, they can ask you, you are an unmarried girl, then after marriage, will you leave the job? Like this question, they can ask you.
Okay.
You should say, no, I will continue to be with them, with the bank
Yeah.
only because I am the only daughter of my parents and I have to take care of my mother also. So if I work, that will help me to take care of my mother also with the confidence because my husband cannot ask that, don't tell that and all.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Good, very
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Best
Thank you.
wishes. You have done well.
Oh, thank
Now
you.
I am closing this video. I would like to